Aging does not start on your skin. It begins silently deep in your body a long time ago. Most people believe aging is something sudden. In reality, it's a gradual process driven by declining cellular repair, weaker digestion, slower metabolism, and increasing nutrient deficiencies. After age of 40, and especially after 50, the body no longer absorbs vitamins and minerals the same way it once did. You can eat healthy food and still age rapidly, and the problem is not always the food. The problem is absorption, utilization, and chronic deficiency. In this modern world, most people eat high processed food for probably decades. And in this modern world, a lot people aging a lot faster just because unhealthy food and chronic vitamin deficiency. As we age, stomach acid production is decreased, digestive enzymes weaken, and intestinal absorption become less efficient. These directly affect how vitamins are absorbed from the food. The same meal eaten after 25, 40, and 60 years of age does not provide the same nutritional value to the body. The older we get, the less nutrients we extract from the food, even if food actually is quality. This creates a hidden state for cellular malnutrition that accelerates aging. And there's a couple of vitamins that is really important for our skin and visibly remove wrinkles and preventing for this skin damage in the most perfect natural way. My first recommendation is going to be vitamin B1 or thiamine, the foundation of energy and aging control. Vitamin B1 is one of the most underestimated vitamins when it comes to the aging. It plays a critical role in converting carbohydrates into energy, supporting nerve functions, brain health, digestion, and stress regulation. Without adequate vitamin B1, the body cannot properly break down the food efficiently or use other vitamins and the minerals. This leads to fatigue, poor digestion, stress sensitivity, and accelerated aging. Recommended daily intake is 1.1 milligram per day for adults, and higher needs with high carbohydrate intake, stress, coffee, alcohol use of aging. Food sources are whole grains, oats, legumes, nuts and seeds, pork, brewer, yeast. And of course, in the perfect world, we are eating those kind of food, and it's going to be perfect for our health. But unfortunately, in today modern world, we don't eat those kind of food that is perfect for us. But you need to remember, vitamin B1, eat it with the food sources. If you cannot, choose good quality supplements that really can help you. Vitamin B1 is so important. The second vitamin is going to be vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for the collagen production, immune defense, antioxidant protection, and tissue repair. As we age, oxidative stress increases and vitamin C requirements rise. Low vitamin C levels are associated with poor skin quality, slower wound healing, fatigue, and a weakened immunity. All classic signs of accelerated aging. Recommended daily eating is minimum 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams per day. Higher amounts may be needed during the stress or illness. Food sources like citrus fruits, kiwi, bell peppers, broccoli, strawberries, leafy greens are perfect for you. Because vitamin C is water soluble, the vitamin does not store a large amount, making it regular intake essential. And in most cases, you will see those supplements with vitamin C, you need to take them a couple times a day, that you have a perfect amount of good quality vitamin C daily is going to be perfect for you. My third recommendation is going to be vitamin A. It's critical for skin regeneration, immune function, and epithelial tissue repair. It supports healthy skin turnover and slows visible aging when consumed at appropriate levels. Recommended daily intake is about 1,000 micrograms daily, approximately 2 2,500 to 3,000 international units daily. Higher dose should be monitored and not exceeded long-term without guidance. Food sources are liver, eggs, dairy products, carrots, sweet potatoes, and the spinach. Vitamin A deficiency accelerates skin aging and weakens the immune body to naturally repair the mechanism. And my fourth and the last recommendation is, of course, is going to be vitamin D. Vitamin D in our body acts almost as a hormone, but today modern men and women have a lot of those chronic deficiencies of vitamin D because number one sources of vitamin D, of course, is the sun. Most people don't go out daily, don't have the sun, don't eat good quality food, you don't take good quality supplements, and if you have a chronic vitamin D deficiency, your skin, your wrinkles is going to be a lot worse. Vitamin D is essential for calcium metabolism, muscle strength and immune balance, and the hormonal regulation. Deficiency becomes extremely common after 50 due to reduction sun exposure and weaker skin synthesis. Low vitamin D levels are linked to fertility, poor posture, muscle loss, and increased inflammation, all of which will accelerate aging. Recommended daily intake is individual, but in most cases, if you have visible wrinkles, you will need a couple thousand international unit daily, maybe for the months ahead. Did you understand me? Those 4 vitamins is crucial, but I want to give you food sources of vitamin D. It is going to be fatty fish like salmon and the sardines, egg yolks, fortified foods, sunlight exposure. And the vitamin D deficiency is one of the most common and overlooked contributors to accelerate aging. The modern diet is heavily processed, nutritionally depleted, and often combined with the stress, medication use, and the poor sleep. Even high-quality food cannot compensate for the impaired digestion and absorption. Aging accelerates when nutrient intakes does not match the body biological demands. And supporting the body nutritional, it's not about chasing youth, it's about slowing unnecessary decline. This is especially important after 40 or 50 years and old. For you who don't know me already, my name is Mario. I come from Europe, especially from Croatia, and I work with the patients all around the world for the last 30 years. I was reading a couple of books about nutrition and natural remedies, and you can find a lot more information in my books about aging and a lot of other stuff. But if you want to learn a lot more about aging, how to prevent them, I recommend you watch my video right here.